Recently, India's UPI and Singapore's Pay Now has been integrated to enable the faster remittance between both the countries. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is UPI. Then, the first question is, what is UPI? UPI stands Unified Payment Interface, and in simple language, it is an instant real time payment system. And it was developed by NCPI in 2016. And after the launching, we have seen our daily to daily life has been completely changed. And today we are not having cash much, and we are just having one mobile applications, and we are doing transactions to any customer, any seller, in any mall, in any shop. If I talk about currently, then in UPI is available in 13 countries. Countries name are Singapore, Malaysia, France, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Netherlands. And government have signed MOUs regarding the UPI. And friends, if I talk about the achievements of UPI, then first was in uh, October 2021, we have seen the UPI have done 100 billion US dollar transaction, and it was that time record. And secondary, if I talk about that number of transaction, then in July 2022, we have seen 6 billion transaction, and it was highest ever since 2016. And third, if I talk about the growth rate, then it has shown 27% of annual compound growth rate, and it will reach up to 7,000 trillion rupees by the end of 2025. If I talk about the benefits of UPI, then today we can do a very easy transaction of money by just one click after registration and getting UPI pin. Secondary, today we are not carrying the cash, and we have no worried about losing cash and robbery. And third, it has just facilitate all the problems of the banking system, to go bank to do a check, and many problems that we are getting previously. If I talk about the disadvantage of UPI, then there are also, like in the slow network, be stuck while sending money through UPI. And also it doesn't run on when the server got down. Secondary, there is like UPI pin is about 4 to 6 digit, then there is, it is not much secure. So we have to be very careful by tapping our UPI pin. Third, like today we are having scammers, fraudster, and they are getting UPI pin and OTP, and these are the very concern for the old people and who are not much aware about this. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see, India is a very vibrant country, vibrant democracy, and today we are taking a mission that is digital India, and UPI has completely changed the Indians life. And today we are developing day by day, and we are using the UPI, and the world has seen the UPI power in the time of COVID-19 pandemic, and world has appreciated and learned experience from the Indian UPI system. And the government of India will provide the UPI system availability in the foreign country too. Thank you.